Just doing it before and after. Before I clean the seat, give it a good hoover out, clean all the dash, hopefully get all these stains out of the seats. Centre armrest, back seats, minging. Look at that, yeah, man. Knackered vents, got a new set on order, 12 quid, flea bay. Happy days. Some more funny looking stains on there. Might have been seen some backstreet action or backside action. Who knows? Anyway, let's start cleaning. On to the teeth, ready for the clean. So I've got my stain remover. Happy days. I've got my cleaner. Obviously that's in the kitchen. Just wait for the kettle to boil so I can put nice hot water in it. And also a touch of rug doctor formula, for carpets. Don't need too much, just a bit. But that's the machine I'm using with my wand. So to do some sort of before and after, let's get into the worst seat. I think it's around this side. Yeah, so we can see there it's quite heavily stained. Helps to undo the cap. There we go, and just give that a good good dousing. But I'm doing it all while I'm on legs. So anyway, that's the prep work. I'll just let that soak in, then get my machine on it. Hopefully it'll bring them up champion. Yeah. Ciao for now. Results are in. So I've done all the back there. That was quite heavily soiled. Don't know why this camera keeps going out of focus. So all that's sparkly clean, and then onto the seats in the back. There we go. That's just a bit of sunlight, that, so it's not a stain, but absolutely come up a treat. Yeah, immaculate. Done all the floors as well. Clean as a whistle. Driver's seat. Yeah, same. Nice and clean. Armrest. Spotless. And passenger seat. Yeah. All the carpet's done as well. Going to buy some mats. For what they cost, it's a good sale point. Some decent car mats. Sell a car need bother, as well as clean windows. Aye. Don't know why, but honestly, when you clean windows, it makes a hell of a difference. Some other top tips. When selling a car, get the best you can for it. Ciao for now. Right, bit of an update. So I've got the old one off, put the new one on, or the one that I want to put on. It doesn't quite push on correctly. See, you've got quite a bit of a wobble there. And what's happening is, it's this connector at the back here where it slots through. It's fouling. See how it's rounded at the top, and on there it's square. On the other one, it's got quite a wide aperture. Yeah, so it's not too bad. But on this one, it hasn't. So, not to be fail at the first hurdle, I'm just going to file the top of that and make it square, and then hopefully that'll fit on. Happy day. Right, what? So that didn't go straight forward as planned. So I had to swap the connections over because they were wrong, so I've had to resolder a couple of wires to put different connections on. Then I put the steering wheel on, and then the connection didn't fit through the aperture. So I've had to get my metal saw out, or metal jigsaw bit, cut it bigger, and then finally managed to get it done. So I've just finished. Anyway, here's the finished product. Voila. So, looks a lot better than the old one did, I think. Yeah, definitely so. Worth the effort. Worth the effort. Happy days. Laters. One thing I did forget to mention and show you was my lights came, rear lights. Fitted. A lot better. Nice. They make a hell of a difference. 60 quid they were, second hand. Happy days. Yeah, these are the old ones. Yeah, bit outdated. And this one needed replacing anyway, it was cracked. Would have passed MOT, but it would have been advisory. And as you know, I don't like to get advisories. To be honest, for one of them, same style, it was about 40 quid. And I paid 60 for two upgraded ones. So that was a bit of a no-brainer in my eyes, like. Looks spot on. Great stuff. There's my little fins I fitted yesterday. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Just thought I'd share that with you. Morning, Betties! Tow bar off today. Unsightly thing. Yeah, got to take the bumper off. So that's what I'm on doing. I've undone everything underneath and on the sides. Pop the bonnet, tap the lights out, undo the skewering screws, pull bonnet off, unbolt the ciao for now. Happy days. So I've sorted the sockets out. So I've just threaded all the cables down the back of the chassis hole there. Used one of the old bolts from the to where the crash bar would have went. Secured them on there, tight as out. Lovely job. Somebody will be ecstatic if they put another tow bar on this to find that they're there. They'll be overly joyed. I'm never that lucky, but hey ho. Right, just thought I'd share that with you. Quite happy with that. Yay!